Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel again and a brand new video, and in today's video I'll be telling you how does my drum setup, my drums room or my music room looks like, and they are the same, so you can call anything from those names. You already know the topic, and so let's get started. Okay guys, so as you know the topic, and so now I will show you my whole setup for my music videos, and here we go. So over here again, if you see back down here, I will just show you. Here's my drum kit, and so here it is. So this is my kit. As you can see, here's my tripod on which I keep my phone. And but yeah, actually guys, in future I'll be getting a new camera for sure, but for now I'm recording with my phone. And actually I have two tripods, and that's my homemade tripod before this tripod. And so I used to use that tripod for my videos when I was just starting, but now I record with this tripod, and I will show you how I keep my phone on that. And other than that, here's my whole setup. You can see over here is my wall sticker, which is very cool, and I ordered this from Amazon. I will again put the link in the description so you can check it out. Then if you want to know the model, so this is Alice's Nitro, and this is the company. And yeah, it's an e-kit basically, and not an acoustic, and it's pretty good kit. I record all my drum videos with this kit. These are my drumsticks, and this the left one I had spray painted this. So this is my custom spray painted drumsticks, and actually a drumstick. But if you want to know how did I spray painted it, I have done a full tutorial on that, so you can check it out. The link again will be in the description, so you can check it out. Now let's move on. So here's my Mac, and I edit all my videos from this Mac using Adobe Premiere Pro. And then over here I have my Sony earphones. If you want, I can do a full tutorial on this earphone. I can tell you which model is it. You already know the company, how is it, and etc etc. Then over here I have my Lenovo mouse, and which is more easier to use than just use my laptop's mouse. And yeah, that's why I use this one, which comes with a USB, and you need to attach it in your laptop over here, over this slot. You can see this one. So yeah, and then over here I have my speaker, on which I put the aux cable on my over here module behind over here, and it's again attached to my speaker over here behind. So over here, so I will just show you the slot where it is. So this is the slot, this one over here. You can see there is also a sign or icon. So yeah, over here I put, and yeah, so again over here on the left I have my full box which is filled with my drum stuff. I have again the old tripod, small tripod. I have done its review, you can check it out. All the links will be in the description, and I will just open it first. Okay guys, so I just opened it quickly. As you can see, it's open, and over here I have my again custom spray painted Zildjian drumsticks. So actually I had done a tutorial about this as again, and which is called how I spray painted my drumsticks and how you can also do the same. So it's DIY totally, and so you can check it out. Then I have my practice pad on which I do practice of my strokes, and then here's the tripod. As I said again, I have again over here those drumsticks. You can see these are also spray painted, and then here's my aux cable. So yeah, this is the aux cable I was talking about. You can buy it from Amazon, and yeah, if you want to know the name, then here's the name. Yeah, this is the name, you can see, and you can then buy it. I have this microphone over here, but I don't know, it doesn't work or what's the problem, I don't know, but yeah, I will see later. And yeah, this is my pretty good setup for my drum videos. And so yeah, in just a minute I will show you my tripod setup, how I set up my tripod. Also, if you want to know how did I make this homemade tripod, you can comment down below how did I made, and I will do a different 1 minute or 2 minute tutorial on it, and you will get to know. But now I will show you about this tripod, how I set up for my drum videos. So here we come. Okay guys, so I will show you how do I set it. Okay guys, so this is my setup and I will show you now. So yeah guys, so this is my tripod, and I just mount it over here, and so like this. So I will just pull this and just put it right over here, so like over here, and it gets stuck, and just this is my setup. And if I want it high, there is a screw, and I will just unscrew it, and now I can roll it up, and it will get a nice height, and then I will screw it and it will get lock, and I can start recording, then adjust the video and the audio in my editing software, and then it's up on my channel. So yes guys, this is my setup, and I hope you had got some information. So this was the screw which I was talking about. So if I unscrew this, and then if I just pull it, it will go up, and yeah, again if I there is one more this handle right over here. If I just unscrew this one again, I can adjust if I want it up or down or in the center. So I want it down mostly. I will just tuck my phone, and here it goes, and here's my throne on which I sit, and I just then play it. Yeah guys, so this was my whole setup, and I hope you had got some information from this. If you did, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing, and other than that, if you have any other questions, you can put in the comment section and we'll reply you for sure. And yeah guys, that's all. And again, just tell me guys if you want do a full tutorial on how did I make that tripod right over here and that blue one right over here. So yeah, and I will also put all the links in the description so you can check it out. And yeah, again I just said that if you want me to do a tutorial on this earphone, just put down in the comment section and I will do it for you guys. And it's a pretty good earphone, I must tell you, and I use it for my drum covers to listen to the song and then play it. So yeah guys, those were the two objects which I wanted to tell you guys. If you like it, then give it a like, and other than that, I'm Mehul again, and peace out.